Hey, hope you're doing well. Just wanted to give a shout out to DJ Carroll and the guys over at EasyPro. My name's Evan Landgraff. I'm the owner of Landgraff Professional Services, and we took part in the EasyPro Certified Pro course. I really believe in the course and think it fast-tracked us to do larger jobs like so. As you can see, we're at a winery right now in Ohio that DJ helped to get us through the EasyPro Certified Pro program. So if you're hesitating to make the investment into the program, I would tell you that it definitely took a year away of just experimenting and trying to figure things out ourselves. We invested into the program, and you know, DJ and his team on there really explained everything in depth and got us on the right track quick. And like I said, we didn't have to waste time trying to figure things out and going through the processes of everything. And also, I went to Ignite with DJ, and I have to shout out Justin Willard out in North Carolina, who DJ introduced me to. Also a great mentor of mine. With that being said, I would not hesitate, and I totally recommend the Certified Pros program. And as DJ would say, make life easy, call a pro, or in this case, a certified pro. Have a great day.